An unprecedented, historic event is unfolding in our solar system. A visitor from far beyond our sun's gravitational reach, the Interstellar Comet. 3I Atlas is now passing near Mars. This offers the first, and perhaps only, opportunity in human history to observe it up close. For the first time in history, spacecraft orbiting another planet have turned their instruments toward an object that originated outside the solar system. NASA's, the European Space Agency's, and China's Mars orbiters have all shifted their focus to this faint traveler as it approaches within 30 million kilometers of Mars. In this video, we'll explore the discovery of this mysterious visitor, the scientific secrets it holds, and what comes next for it. If you're ready, let's get started. 3I Atlas was first detected on July 1, 2025, by the Atlas Survey Telescope in Chile. At first, it appeared unremarkable, a faint, slow-moving speck, until its orbit revealed a crucial detail. This object was not gravitationally bound to the Sun. This meant it was interstellar, a traveler passing through our system on a one-time trajectory. This discovery makes 3I Atlas only the third confirmed interstellar object after Oumuamua and Borisov. However, unlike those earlier visitors, 3I Atlas was discovered early enough to organize an extensive observation campaign. Its path brought it unusually close to Mars, making it possible for the orbiters there to witness this historic moment. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter is using its half-meter high-rise telescope to try to capture faint images of the comet's coma and tail. The European Space Agency's Mars Express and ExoMars orbiters are analyzing the spectrum of sunlight reflected from the comet's gases to decipher its chemical composition. Even China's Tianwen-1 orbiter has joined the observation effort, collecting data from a different angle. Every interstellar object is a direct sample of another planetary system, a piece of matter shaped billions of years ago around a completely different star. Initial data from the James Webb Space Telescope has already revealed a striking difference. While most comets in our solar system are dominated by water vapor, 3I Atlas appears to be emitting almost entirely carbon dioxide. This suggests it formed in a much colder region of its home system, perhaps beyond a Kuiper Belt equivalent, orbiting a dimmer or younger star. Even the comet's dust behaves differently. Observations indicate that its dust particles scatter light in a rare way, which could point to compact, hardened grains that have been exposed to radiation while traveling through interstellar space for millions of years. Unlike the mysterious, tailless Oumuamua and the seemingly ordinary comet Borisov, 3I Atlas sits somewhere in between, active but chemically very strange. Scientists hope that the Mars orbiters will provide the first direct observation of the Sun's magnetic field interacting with this interstellar material. The Mars flyby is just one phase of this long observation campaign. 3I Atlas is now heading toward its perihelion, its closest point to the Sun. As it gets closer, its activity is expected to increase dramatically. When it passes behind the Sun, it will become unobservable from Earth, but that's precisely when ESA's JUICE spacecraft, on its way to Jupiter, will step in. Throughout November, JUICE will monitor the comet from deep space, recording how sunlight affects it in real time. This will be the first time an interstellar object is studied simultaneously by multiple planets and a deep space probe. This brief visit from 3I Atlas reminds us of two important things. First, how diverse planetary systems in the universe can be. And second, that cosmic discoveries often come without warning, and we must be fast and prepared to study them. For just a few days, Mars became our window to another star system. The passage of 3I Atlas reminds us that despite the vast voids between galaxies, we are all connected. It is now returning to the deep darkness from which it came, perhaps to become the guest of another star, millions of years from now.